Callouts are graphics that can be used to call out or to draw attention to an important process or detail in your video. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a callout to your project, the different ways you can modify its appearance, and finally how to change its duration. To create a callout, place the seek bar at the location on the timeline where you want to add a callout. Then click on Callouts in the task list in Camtasia Studio. The next step is to click on the green plus icon that you see on the Callout Properties page. This will add a callout at that location on the timeline. Click on the Callout Type drop-down menu to display all the available callouts. You can choose from many different arrows, speaking bubbles, and other shapes. With the Spotlight callout, you can draw attention to a specific area while darkening the rest of the screen. Try the Highlighter callout if you need to highlight something. Any sensitive information, such as a password or username, can be blurred out using the Blur callout. With the Text callout, you can add just text to your video. There also is a Transparent Hotspot callout that allows you to add flash interactivity to your video. The viewer can click on a specific area of the video and will then be taken to a specific point within the video or to an external website. In this case, we'll choose a simple arrow callout. A preview of the selected callout will appear in the preview window. You can now modify your callout. Start by choosing the rotation from the available options. As you can see, all changes will be reflected in the preview window. The preview window is also where you can adjust the position and the size of your callout. Click on the callout and drag it to the desired position on the screen. Drag any of the handles on the green box outlining the callout to resize it. Now that we have chosen a callout and positioned it on the screen, we can further customize the look of your callout. The Fill Color option allows you to change the color of the callout. Click on the Fill Color button to display a color palette from where you can select either a basic color or define a custom color. Right next to the Fill Color is the Border Color option, which, as the name implies, allows you to change the color of the border surrounding the callout. Again, click on the button to display a palette from where you can choose a color. Okay, if you want, you can also add text to your callout. Simply add text into the large text box and change any of the characteristics, such as color, font, bold, etc., until you are happy with the result. The Properties section allows you to fade your callout in and out, as well as apply a drop shadow or a style. When everything looks good, click Finish to return to the Camtasia Studio's main screen. As you may have already noticed, your callout is placed on the callout track on the timeline. You can adjust the duration by dragging the sides of the callout in the timeline, like this. You can also reposition the callout by clicking on it and dragging it to the desired location on the timeline. To preview your callout, place the seek bar just before the callout on the timeline and click Play. Alright, so what if you want to change an existing callout? In Camtasia Studio 5.1, you now have the option to click directly on the callout in the preview window. You can now move it, resize it, and change any of its characteristics. Pretty neat, right? Okay, it's time to wrap it up.